So let's just talk about authorization in Postman. So whenever we create one new request, we can add authorization to that request. And authorizations can be of many types. This can be no auth, can be basic auth, can be bearer token, can be auth, and we have so many different types of authorizations that we can choose from based on the API requirement. And also we can add these authorizations in different levels. We can add the authorization to every individual request. Also we can add this authorization to any folder. So here you can see we can add the authorization to the folder level, and also we can add the authorization to collection level also. So here you can see we can add the authorization to the collection level. So the authorization will be applied to all the requests inside that collection. So we are creating one GET request to get the repository of any GitHub user. Now we cannot just randomly access any user's GitHub repos. We need authorizations for that. So here you can see we have this status 401 unauthorized. That means to access the repos of any GitHub user, we need authorization. So under the authorizations tab, from the drop down we can select the bearer token, and here we must paste the token of that user. Now let's see how we can create one GitHub token. So inside the GitHub we have to go to settings, and then we have to scroll down and click on developer setting. And here under this personal access token we can select this token classic, and then we have to click on generate new token. So we can add one node to the token, test authorization. We can set the expiration date. So here we can select the scope of the token, so it will have access to only the public repositories. And then we have to click on generate token. So here is our access token, so we have to copy this and then we have to paste it here. So we have set our authorization token. Now if we send the request, you can see we have the response. So here the status is 200 OK, so our response is successful. And here is the response body containing all the public repositories of the user. And also if we do not want to use this access token directly, so instead of this token we can use one variable. We can use one variable like token, and then we can create the variable. So we can create one variable like token, and the value can be that access token. And then you have to save this, and after that if we make the API request, so we are getting the successful response with the status code 200 OK. So this is the way we can add different authorizations to API request in Postman. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.